Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to download the YouTube videos on your iPhone or your Android phone. But before we begin, it's important to understand the safe and the legal way to do this. So the most reliable and the most official method is using YouTube's built-in download feature. For that, first of all, you need to open the YouTube application on your phone. Now here on the home page itself, you are going to see a bunch of different videos. So among these, you just have to tap on that particular video which you want to download. So let's say this is the video which I want to download. When you basically start watching the video, among the given options here on the top, you will see this download option as well. When you tap on the option of download, it will ask you to select your download quality. So here you can select the full HD, high, medium and low. So most probably you would want to download it in the full HD or at least in the high quality. So when you select the quality, simply tap on the option of download in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Now the download of this video will start. As you can see it over here, the video is downloading. So when the video is downloaded successfully, you can easily access it by going inside the library and then download section in the YouTube application. So the important detail here is that the video is not going to save for offline viewing, not as file that you can move to your gallery. So you are going to basically view the downloaded video in your YouTube application only, even if you are offline. So it's one of the best and the greatest way provided to you by YouTube. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.